as well.
Which one?
We're not London, baby.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute, I know, I'm sorry, my bad, but we're back and we're better than ever. So today I'm going to be taking you through what I eat in a day. This isn't a standard day of eating because today I am off to London town. I'm a proper country bumpkin, I live in Devon, so going up to London for me is pretty exciting. What I eat in a day vibes going on. We've got what I get up to on a weekend. I'm going to drive up to Richmond, get the tube in, do some shopping. I need to start shopping for Glastonbury, to be honest. I've got Glastonbury coming up soon. I have nothing to wear. Get some coffee. We're going to go to Mildred's in Soho for lunch. I've heard like amazing things about this place, but never been. So I'm really excited to see what food they've got. And then I've got to meet up with the Gngr Bees gang to hear about their new collection, pick up some bits of the new line. And then tomorrow I'm doing a car boot sale to raise money for charity. And we've also got a puppy meetup with my baby puppy's brother. It's going to be very cute. So that's going to be really exciting. I'm currently in a deficit. Just in case you haven't come across me before and you don't follow me on Insta, which you should, I do not talk about calories. This is a calorie-free zone, guys. I like to bulk and cut because I want to get hench. Look at these. Look at those muscles. I currently am in a deficit. I will, however, be taking this weekend off to enjoy some good food. I'm going to be eating as much as I want and enjoying all the beautiful food in London. I do this quite often, just switch into food enjoyment mode, and I'll just have like a weekend or a week when I've got events or like holidays or festivals or whatever, where I'll just switch into like intuitive eating, food freedom mode, which for me works really well. It's a really sustainable way of doing things. Yeah, I'm really excited to take you along with me. Be enjoying the London foodie scene and then a wholesome weekend back in the country. Yeah, let's get into it. Little pit stop. What's this?
Banoffee loaf cake.
Banoffee loaf cake. All vegan.
It's actually really nice.
Oh, really good. We're on the road again. We are en route to London. We are, what, half an hour out of Richmond, which is over the park. Rich what? Those are the words. Rich what? Rich what? Rich what? And then we're going to get the tube in. Some oats that I'm about to crack open. I don't go anywhere without me oats. My oats with some Nush yogurt, some peanut butter, some strawberries on the road. That's how we like it. Go Stonehenge. Look at that. Very exciting. Some very exciting rocks. Heading, where are we heading? Hammersmith. We've got the green line to Hammersmith, district line to Hammersmith, and then we're getting the blue. I don't know what the blue is. See the
yellow ones.
I don't know. I don't London. And we're getting the blue to Leicester Square. London, baby. Slight dilemma with coming to London. I slipped and fell in some shops. Cheers, me. Completed it, mate. Wouldn't be a trip to London without hitting up Virgin Pret for all your caffeination needs. Desperately hoping they've got vegan croissants. I haven't had a vegan croissant in far too long. Soy flat white and a vegan croissant. Now we're talking business. Oh god. I'm on my way to Nat's house. She is the owner of Gngr Bees, a very nice, sustainable activewear company. Check them out because they are very, very cool. So I'm going to meet up with her and a few, the word is influencers, but I hate that word, a few other influencers. Really excited to meet Gngr Bees gang.
So we're not tucking it into everyone's I have to.
Interesting.
Being sustainable and recycling.
That was one of the most amazing experiences actually, meeting all of those wonderful girls, meeting the lovely Nat. The new collection of Gngr Bees stuff is so beautiful and the story behind it is just amazing. I can't wait to go home, try on. Oh, I'm so out of breath and too excited to try on everything and show you guys. I'll do a little try on so you can see what I got. But I would absolutely recommend checking out her beautiful company. She's such an incredible person and yeah, I think you guys would really appreciate it. So go have a look my way to find Joel, who is in a pub somewhere with some mates. Good morning. It is a beautiful day. We are in Glastonbury, my hometown. There, Glastonbury tour over there. Very beautiful. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Stunning. Got a little mint tea on the go. Walking the dog. Hey, Ruru. The drive back from London was long and I'm very tired, but I'm very glad it's a nice sunny day to rejuvenate me. Packed up, making some snacks, and got a car boot sale today to raise money for my 100-kilometre hike in aid of Calm UK. Hopefully, we'll get a good spot and we'll be able to raise some money. If you look at this weather, we've made it. We're at the car boot. Just about to set up. I'm wearing my beautiful Gngr Bees set. Got loads of stuff to sell, mostly old clothes to be honest. I'm really digging this whole like buying reused clothes. If you're not familiar with it, this is a car boot sale. You literally sell things out of the boot of your car. The cupboard was a success, I think I raised about £300 for my charity, which is really cool. And now we're taking this very sleepy little pup for a puppy play date with his brother, one of his little. With your brother, check his butt.
The golden retriever shaped face.
Hi, pup. The best ending to a busy weekend. Isn't that right, mate? Yeah, mum. And we're finishing off the weekend with puppy cuddles, a cider, because that's how you have to finish a weekend in Somerset during the last of the sunshine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow along for more. Ignore the noise of everyone in the kitchen. See you in the next one.